How to purchase Prime membership in Amazon. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'll be showing you the ways to purchase Prime membership in Amazon. In order to do this procedure, you do not need to use an application. You can do this procedure from the web browser. So for that, open up a browser and on the web address bar, type in amazon.com/Amazon Prime. This is going to take you to the official web page, and make sure that you are already logged in. So as soon as you do that, go ahead and tap on start your free trial 30 days. Tap on it. Next page is going to take you to the interface, something like this, and if you're sure about it, go ahead and tap on start your 30-day free trial. Once you've done that, you'll be able to see whether you've successfully purchased or not. So if you've made a purchase, then you'll be able to see that you've successfully purchased a 30-day free trial, and then you can begin with the Prime membership. So in this way, you can purchase Prime membership in Amazon. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.